Hello guys, let's get right into it. Large language models struggle with outdated information, hallucinations, and missing sources. That's where Retrieval-Augmented Generation comes in. Instead of relying only on its training, the model retrieves real-time data from external sources before generating a response. Let's look at each word on its own. Generation. LLMs generate text from a prompt or user query, but without external support. They may provide outdated or incorrect information. Retrieval. Instead of relying solely on pre-trained data, the model accesses a content store to fetch relevant, up-to-date information. This content store can be open source, whereby it pulls data from the internet, or closed, where it retrieves information from internal documents or policies. Augmented. Rather than retraining the LLM with new information, RAG updates the content store dynamically, ensuring the model always works with the latest available data. For example, a supply chain manager asks an AI for updated shipping regulations. With RAG, the AI features the latest government policies and gives an accurate response with sources. Why use RAG? It's perfect for industries with frequently changing data. Finance, with the stock market details, healthcare, patients coming in consistently, and compliance. Instead of retraining an entire model, you just update your data store. Fine-tuning specializes an AI model for a specific domain. Instead of fetching data externally, the model is retrained with curated examples, embedding that knowledge permanently. For example, a law firm fine-tunes an AI to summarize contracts in their specific legal language. Every response follows their formatting style and terminology. Why use fine-tuning? It's ideal for industries with consistent terminology, style, or decision-making patterns. Customer support, medical diagnostics, or industry-specific writing, such as in the legal field. For maximum accuracy, use both. Fine-tune the AI with industry-specific knowledge, then use RAG to pull real-time updates. For example, a cybersecurity firm fine-tunes an AI to detect phishing attempts based on past cases, but uses RAG to fetch the latest threat intelligence reports. This combination ensures expertise and adaptability. Fine-tuning gives depth, while RAG keeps it current. So in conclusion, RAG prevents outdated answers. Fine-tuning ensures domain expertise. Together, they create AI that is both accurate and reliable. Want cutting-edge AI? Use both. For example, in GPT, if I search for who won the Spanish Super Cup, it's going to give me Barcelona, and this was not available a year ago. So that's an improvement that I have noted. Have a great day, guys.